What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Happy to have you on here. So today I want to present you this amazing tool I discovered and I really find very useful. So this tool is a JSON viewer or a JSON previewer, and you can find it at JSONviewer.tools. And so basically it's a tool that allows you to visualize data in style. So you can paste in your JSON data and it's going to give you an amazing preview of that data very easily, very nice. So convert your JSON, YARN and CSV into stunning interactive graphs in seconds. Ideal for developers, analysts and data pros. Enjoy a seamless editing experience with smart diagrams, beautiful themes and one-click export. So it's an amazing JSON data previewer. And so in our different code editors, I believe there are already some JSON previewers extensions which are available, and you can equally get this one as an extension for those different code editors. So I just wanted to show you the word version, which comes with a lot more features than the extension. So as you can see, you can transform your JSON experience very seamlessly. You can customize the diagrams, you can change the colors, you can edit the diagrams, and you can do so many things. Download, REST API testing with diagrams, repair, generate JSON, and much more. You can even include a Chrome extension, even though they spelled Chrome here wrong, extension, and so on and so forth. So for the base model, it's really very limited. It's very limited, but it has a paid version if you really need that. So I just wanted to kind of show you how it works and how efficient it is. So we can see some of the features there. I mean, they have just thrown in AI powered features in there. I'm not sure what for, but it's still good enough. So we're going to check out how it works straight away. And so one of the good things is that you don't need to create an account to test it out. So you can go ahead and test it out without having an account. So yeah, we're going to load it. It loads this interface here. On the left, you can paste in your JSON data or your YARN data, and you can get a preview, which is going to convert it into the different formats. So right here, I have already some JSON sample data that I'm going to paste here. It's just some random data that I generated. And so instantly, you see how this JSON data now turns into a beautiful, amazing visualization with all the links between the different levels. And so first off, on this left side, you can see that I can easily switch between JSON and YARN. You see, I can easily switch, and you can see the data is clearly shown there. And then you can equally change to a UI view. You can change to a UI view. You can see the objects inside every levels, and you can easily edit them directly from here, and you can equally move things away as well around. So I really like the design. I really like how seamless it is to preview your JSON data and easily update it. So it comes with a lot of features, like really a lot of features. You can go ahead and customize the colors, can do a lot of things. So definitely a lot of things are blocked behind the preview, but it does already a very good job at that. I really like the design. You can see the JSON's levels and you can easily edit them if need be, so you can see here, if you click on the table, you can easily edit it here. So this is just a simple tool to kind of preview your JSON data. JSON data can really get complicated, can really get complex, and it can be very confusing when it's not done right. So this really helps us get a better view and get a better preview of that JSON data. So I really like how it works and really how it does this amazing job. So it's kind of simple, but it does a lot of things. For example, here we can see all of the hierarchies. Users, we can see users has 2 items in it, 2 items. Or we come in, you can see the ID is there. We can see the rows have 2 items as well, admin, and so on and so forth. So from here, you can easily edit your JSON data. So this is a simple tool, but I definitely appreciate it. I definitely like it. It really helps preview our JSON data in a much more easy way. And equally, you can download this image, you can download this data, and you can view it in different formats. Yeah, so it's an amazing tool, quite simple, quite seamless, and I appreciate it. So visualize your data in style with JSON Viewer. So you can equally get the extensions, Chrome extension, VS Code extension, and I'm not really sure, I think it might have, VS Code extensions. It has editors extensions as well. Yeah, so Definitely, if it's on VS Code, then it's going to be on all of the code editing software, piece of software. So yeah, it's a great tool. So definitely check it out. Let me know what you think. I definitely appreciate this tool. I hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one.